Dave, a dedicated pipefitter at the Feed Materials Production Center in Fernald, Ohio, embarked on his usual graveyard shift on that fateful June night of 1984. Nestled within the idyllic farm country, the facility concealed its true purpose as it processed high-grade uranium for nuclear weapons. Employees like Dave were assured of safety, yet whispers of danger lurked beneath the surface. Amidst the hum of machinery and the looming shadows of the facility, Dave set about his tasks, inspecting and maintaining equipment crucial to the uranium processing. But as the night wore on, strange occurrences unfolded, culminating in his inexplicable disappearance. Witness accounts paint a puzzling picture: Dave's erratic behavior, sightings in unexpected locations, and ominous encounters with coworkers raise unsettling doubts about the events leading up to his demise. From serious discussions in parked trucks to wandering into the wrong plant, his actions raised unsettling questions. The sense of foreboding deepened as unusual residue was discovered in a furnace, hinting at a sinister turn of events. Days passed, and despite exhaustive searches, Dave remained missing. But as the investigation unfolds, troubling inconsistencies emerge. The discovery of Dave's personal effects and bone fragments near a furnace fuels chilling speculation of a sinister end, perhaps murder, disguised as an accident or suicide. As the years stretch on, Dave's remains remain trapped within the toxic confines of the closed plant site, a bitter reminder of the unresolved questions that haunt his memory. Amidst the shadowy corridors of the facility, whispers of foul play echo. Some believe Dave's meticulous nature and rumored intentions to blow the whistle on safety lapses made him a target. As the shadows of secrecy and mistrust loomed over Fernald, the legacy of Dave Box served as a chilling testament to the darkness that lurks beneath the surface of everyday life. A reminder of the horrors concealed within the facility's walls, and the price paid by those who dared to uncover the truth.
Baba Yaga here. Hope you liked your goodnight story. If you'd want more stories like this, do subscribe. And if you are ready to dive deeper into the mystical realm, click the link below to cast a spell with me.